Another interesting thing you can use with H5P, HTML5P, is essays. Essays, you have to first pick, of course, interactive content, and inside of interactive content you have to write search essay. So essays give you ability to check the work of student, written work, by the presence of the keywords. Never tell students that it should be keywords. Anyway, they have to write some text, and you can give some task description here, like you can add video or PDF file or give some topic. So we can write and say about computer linguistics. And okay, we can write the task here, and here the title can be computer linguistics only. We can also mention methods and historical aspects of computer linguistics. So we can give some hints here, and we can add some help text, like we can start computer linguistics is an area of, and we can add sample solution, it's optional, and sample solution text are also optional. The main thing, we have to add some keywords. So first keyword will be linguistics, for instance. And we can give some points. It can be case sensitive or not. We can forgive minor mistakes, and okay, so we can add some behavioral settings. We can define minimum number of characters this should be, for instance 100 or maximum 500. And so we can specify number of characters here, and we can say 10 lines should be there, retry button may be there, and passing percentage can be 50, and mastering can be, for instance, 85. I can override the case sensitive, so it can be disabled, and for given mistakes should be enabled, and this is it. So we can add as many words as so we add another keyword, for instance regular, so expressions should be, regular expressions should be there, or regular, or lemmatization, or stemming. So you can use word method and many other words. So you can fill the main words that should be in that essay. And for instance, if I want to make historical aspect, I may want to see the word like year maybe, or starts. Also I can add some variation. For instance, region is the analog of start word, or year can be replaced by date or something. So you can give some variations, because essay can be written by different things, but we have to think of different implementations here, and we have to save it here. Yeah, so this is how we will show. I forgot to configure completion here in grade. So grade will be out of 5. Grade to pass should be 5, and completion should be like this. And yeah, so I configure completion not by student and grade to pass 5. Let's save it here and let's see. So we'll try to, so we have 500 words here and 100 is minimum. So I can say, so we can write this: computer linguistics is an area of computer linguistics is an area of computer science, for instance, and was originated at 1960 by Dr. someone. It uses methods of regular, such as regular expressions, and it uses the methods of lemmatization and stemming. Okay, I have at least 100 already used, and I can check now. I used only 3 out of 7. So what could get wrong here? So let's try to understand. So where was the mistake? I used some method word. Maybe if I switch to method, yes. So the issue is it doesn't. So we have to give alternative to plural form. But if you don't want to methods and so different things, then so let us say it use methods. It should also accept methods thing. Then we have to go back and instead of method we have to write asterisks here. It means after method there can be any other word: method, methods, methoding, and same for year. It can be years, dates, and starting, or starts or originating. And we can also use stemming, and lemma can be beginning of the word, and expressions should be also start, and linguistic also should be there. And we can also add word computer. Okay, let's save it now and try again. So will we get maximum score? So I'm copying the same thing, and we have 6 out of 8 right now. I'm not sure which part I missed there. Computer is also there. So what was the thing I missed? Maybe the case wasn't included. So I should see if the computer. Actually, we have 9 here, and so it's case sensitive. But I said, okay, maybe because I missed so it shouldn't be case sensitive here, and case sensitive here is not allowed. Start originates. Yes, so most of them are being case sensitive, and we can also forgive minor mistakes everywhere. So if we save it right now, we should see better result. No, we're saying 6 of out of 6. Yeah, I'm not sure why it's 8 still, why it's not out of 9, because we have 9 keywords here. Some word maybe is being duplicated. Lemma, stem. So maybe we should word keyword should appear if not included. Um, disabled and enabled. Let's see once more again. Yeah. Okay, we have 7 out of 8. It's best result. Maybe I forgot some word here to add. Anyway, we have this simple essay to check our works for student. It can be more advanced, that we can start with the simple stuff, checking how the students can do academic writing and check if they are getting our points well. Thanks for watching.